Waiter, you're already here? What are you doing?
Oh, hello, sir. I was just reading about science.
Science? I don't know you like science.
Oh, sure, I love science.
Hey, I like science too.
Well, I was just about to do a science experiment. Do you want to help?
An experiment? Sure, I guess it. Wait, what do I have to do?
Oh, listen, it's easy. All you have to do is jump.
Jump? That doesn't sound like a scientific thing.
But it is. It says right here in my book, Part 1 of Experiment. Ask a person to jump.
Okay.
How's this? Oh, that's great. That's great. Now it says in Part 2, watch. Observe the person jumping and write down everything you see. Now, observing is a very important part of science.
Okay, observe already.
Okay.
Now, let me see if you can jump up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Can I stop now?
What's that?
I said, can I stop now? I just want a carton of milk.
Okay, let me just observe some more. Let me observe you jumping up and down, 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 down, up and down.
Can I stop now?
What's that?
I said, can I stop now?
Oh no, I'm not finished observing and writing down everything I see. That's science.
Your science is well, but I'm getting tired.
Okay, let me observe that Toad's arms are flopping up and down like a chicken.
Waiter!
Okay, he's being really like that.
That is it. I am stopping. I am not jumping again.
Well, that's good, because now it's time for part 3 of the experiment.
Oh, no, you don't. No part 3. I am finished. I am through with this experiment. I am not jumping again.
Yes, sir, that's too bad, because for part 3, I'm just going to be drinking a nice cold bit of milk. But I guess I'll just have to drink it myself. Observe. I love science.